Welcome to Woody's there, buddy. How you doing, man?
What? Hello? I'm
Are you deaf?
Yeah, I'm deaf. I fought in 3 wars, 3 historic battles.
You're pretty scary. I wish you had your uniform. I'd like to see that.
Well, I was something back in the day.
Yeah, I'll bet you still are.
I was a lady killer too.
A lady killer.
Yep. Yep.
Where do you put them after you kill them?
Well, it's a big ocean.
Okay.
It's a big ocean, and they don't look there. And
Well,
you know,
let's talk about Woody's Eats. We got new menus. We'll have to show you outside. They're all on the wall.
Okay.
There, so, but I want to show my newest piece of equipment. This is going to modernize us. This has modernized us. This gives us the ability to do a lot. My little old kitchen before didn't have a 4-bay steam table, so I was stuck with 2 in a crock pot. Now I have extra space and work shelf and little $1,500, and took a few months to, actually a couple months to get it together. But anyway, I'm so happy to have it because, man, we needed it. Now we got it. What do you think about that, bro?
I think it's nice and shiny. You know, it's nothing like they had back in the day.
Yeah, you guys working out of green wash tubs there.
Well, it was better. That was before this pussy generation came around and made everything weak.
I know.
Well, show me the stuff.
Come on out
here.
here.
What do we got going?
Come on out here.
We're gonna go look at his stuff.
Yeah. Here's all our new menu.
Oh, hell, look at this menu. It's nice and colorful.
Jessica done that for me.
Oh, she did?
She does a beautiful job.
Oh, very nice. This is very nice. I can see
hung
it.
them, and you can see how crooked they are, but that's how I do it.
Yep. Well, it's really nice. I like this.
Yeah, and I put them down here so when they drive by, they got to watch them too, you know, and see them. But yeah, we love it.
Oh, good for the drive-by.
Yeah, they got to get their coffee so they see us.
You know, they took away my right to drive.
That son of a bitch.
Yeah. What are we
Guys,
doing?
it's pretty easy now. We got it all laid out. We got the rice cooker right here.
Yep.
Get a little rice in here. We got a big, normally we use our little smaller ones, but this is Mikey. He's hungry. He's an eater.
I eat too.
You too?
Yeah, I'll eat it. It's good. The fish is very palatable.
Well, the fish is Northwest's favorite. Smoked steelhead salmon is a treat, no matter where it is.
Oh yeah, yeah, it is. Look at all that stuff you got now.
Goodies on here.
All that fresh food. You know, they don't make it fresh anymore. It's just better than that McDonald's shit.
Yeah, and it's just about the same price.
The same
you can
price.
come here and have smoked salmon.
Delicious smoked salmon. Look at that.
My world famous chowder.
Oh, delicious chowder.
For 35 years I've made this chowder.
Yum. This is veteran approved.
The veteran approved.
Veteran approved chowder.
Made by me.
Oh, look at that delicious. Is that the stuff it's got the D3 in it? That's better than what the military served us.
Well, I don't know. I hear they're eating lobster and steak and lobster in the military.
Yeah, they do. They sure as shit do.
Well, I think
there ain't no lying about that. They get.
I think you boys deserve it.
Not back in the day. We had to piss on our food just to get it hydrated.
Shit on a shingle.
Yeah,
I ate it.
Shit on a shingle.
I was there. I did it too. Not through World Wars, but no wars.
Well,
I was
all right.
very fortunate to miss all that. Signed up for it, but they said nope, we're all done.
Yep.
Little chili sauce on there because that's the stuff. Some fresh parsley to make it pretty.
Delicious.
You know, get it all green. We like that. Doesn't that look nice?
That looks amazing. I'm gonna eat the shit out of it. This is veteran approved food.
Woody's Eats, one bite you'll see. Smoked salmon legend locally.